Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the easiest and most effective ways to make money online. Are you tired of the endless grind to make money online? The constant hustle, the late nights, and the never-ending search for the next big thing can be exhausting. What if I told you there's a way to tap into the booming travel industry with zero effort? That's right, zero effort. Imagine being able to earn money while you sleep without having to lift a finger. Introducing AITravelBlog, the laziest way to make money online. This revolutionary platform allows you to create a fully functional travel blog and store in just minutes. Picture this, a self-updating travel blog and store that earns you commissions from hotels, flights, and travel products all on autopilot. No more stressing over content creation or website maintenance. With AITravelBlog, you can launch your own travel site in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 60 seconds is all it takes to get started. No coding, no writing, no tech skills needed. It's designed to be user-friendly so anyone can do it, even if you're a complete beginner. It's literally as easy as click and earn. Here's how it works. First, you enter your site name and keywords. This helps the AI understand what your site is about and who your target audience is. Then the AI instantly builds your travel blog and store. It pulls in the latest travel deals, hotel bookings, and travel products, creating a seamless experience for your visitors. Finally, watch as it auto-updates with fresh travel content and products daily, earning you commissions from multiple sources. You don't have to worry about keeping the content fresh. The AI does it all for you. Imagine making money from hotel bookings, flight deals, Amazon travel products, and ad revenue, all without lifting a finger. Your site will be a one-stop shop for all things travel. And the best part, there's no extra cost. You get free hosting and there are no monthly fees. It's 100% hands-free. Free hosting and no monthly fees. It's 100% hands-free. You can focus on enjoying your life while your travel blog works for you. The travel industry is worth a staggering $716 billion. That's a massive market you can tap into with minimal effort. Millions of people are searching for travel deals online every day. They are looking for the best deals on hotels, flights, and travel products. Now you can profit from their searches effortlessly. Every time someone books a hotel or buys a travel product through your site, you earn a commission. With AITravelBlog, you're in business today. No months of setup, no figuring out SEO, no writing content. It's all done for you. Just enter your site name and keywords and let the AI do the rest. It's that simple. So, are you ready to tap into this massive industry? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Don't miss out on this exclusive deal. This is your chance to start earning passive income with minimal effort. Click the link below to grab AITravelBlog before it's gone. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and start earning passive income today. See you next time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are looking for easy ways to make money online.